everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Real Fantasy Scott Realistic Dildo. So let's get started. So this is the Scott Realistic Dildo itself. As you can see, it's a really impressive sized dildo and this is not recommended for beginners. This dildo is suitable for both vaginal and anal use and features a textured veiny shaft all the way around. And it also features a rounded head just there as well. The material is soft and smooth for a comfortable feel during use and is also flexible yet firm as well. It's suitable for a strap-on and features a strong suction cup so you can place this on any flat smooth surface and enjoy hands-free stimulation. When using this dildo, we would recommend to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course make sure to clean the dildo after every use, and for this we recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Real Fantasy Scott Realistic Dildo. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.